Fix microphone not working, device not migrated error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the troubleshooter. We recommend starting with the speech troubleshooter. Fix 2. Repair damaged system files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Fix 3. Install Windows updates. Make sure that all Windows updates are installed. Fix 4. Use an older version of the Realtek driver. Find the Realtek audio driver from the list. Right-click and select Update Driver. Pick Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Ensure Show Compatible Hardware is ticked. From the list, pick an older driver. Click Next and reboot your device.